This video's featured affiliate is PTO Link, the easy way to connect your tractor's PTO shaft to your equipment. Order yours using the link in the description and receive a 5% manufacturer's discount. One of the things that I'm always concerned about when I'm using my loader is pushing it beyond its limits and accidentally tweaking it and having one that looks like this guy's that you see. I can't afford to have something like that happen. A new loader for my tractor is over $5,800. Now, Tony from Tony's Tractor sent me a video of a guy pulling logs using his 3-point hitch. It's kind of like a hoist that attaches to it. I thought, what a great idea that is. Now, part of the thing that I like about it is that if I'm really in tight quarters back in the woods, I can take my loader off altogether and just use this attachment. Even if I scrape a tree or something coming out, it's going to give back and forth, and it shouldn't cause any problems at all. If you're enjoying this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a like. Upon further investigation, I found that Everything Attachments sells one of these babies all welded up, painted red, ready to go for $315. If you own an attachment like this, please leave a comment down below and let us know how you like it.